Hey, it's Pete at Pete Snakebite Kit. Thanks for coming by and checking out my YouTube again. Today what we're going to do is, well, what do you do if you're in the DFW area and you got some time to kill and you like cars? Streetside Classics. Let's take a look inside. If you're in the area, you want to check this out. Streetside Classics. This place is big. They had a ton of cars there. And there's a number of these around the country if you want to take a look at them. If you want somebody to come into your showroom, what do you put in the front window? Of course, a Cobra. I'll give you a quick spin around the room. I mean, there's more cars here than you can shake a stick at. 1954 Corvette, very original looking, very nice looking. Some kind of gigantic Mopar thing. There's a bunch of Mustangs. Here's a nice looking 65 Fastback. There's some other things there. Well, there's a thing. Okay, there's not many things cooler than a blown Hemi. But when the back tires look like this, the Hemi doesn't make up for that. Check out Streetside Classics.